Anay saw the film in a similar way that I did, and he is actually a very artistic person. He comes from a very artistic background. Kai Po Che had to be treated in a more raw, more docu style. He has given his best, going by the circumstances we worked in, the heat we shot in. I mean, there was never a whimper from his side or never a complaint from his side, except the fact that we got to get the shot right.
Anay is one of those sticklers for perfection, and no one can budge him. And there was one particular incident in Delhi.
आज कहाँ है शूट?
फरीदाबाद में कर रहे हैं।
We actually had to shoot a simple shot of Govind running.
You know, there is a moment and there is a mood to that scene, and the way that scene should be lit is important.
Anay wanted a particular kind of lighting or a kind of sunlight for that particular scene.
For us, capturing the light was the most important. I understood he needed that, you know, and so we had done so many recce's and had clocked it. You know, when the sun would be at a certain place at a certain hour on a certain location, we should shoot in that window because the light is just perfect for that particular scene.
And there was no light that day. There was no sun.
लोकेशन पे आया था, जब तक धूप थी, जब हमने सेटअप वटअप सब रेडी करके तो अचानक से फिर मौसम एकदम ये हो गया, बारिश वाला मौसम हो गया.
So the entire unit waited for a day for Anay to actually say okay to the light, and somehow God and Anay didn't see eye to eye on that particular day.
We haven't shot pretty much anything today. We had to back up because of the bad weather and the possibility.
So you don't want to light it up artificially. You want to capture the moment of the day or the time of the day. And if you want it, you want it. I mean, there cannot be a compromise on that because I'll not get a second chance to shoot this movie.
So that's the news from the Kai Po Che team.